If you've lost access to your Netflix account and can use your phone number for recovery, don't worry. Here is a straightforward guide to help you regain access. Step 1. Visit the Netflix login page. Go to the official Netflix website and click on the sign in button. This will take you to the login page where you can start the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Need Help. On the login page, look for the Need Help link below the password entry field. Click on it to access the account recovery options. Step 3. Select Recover Your Account. From the options provided, choose Recover Your Account. This will guide you through the steps to retrieve your account without needing a phone number. Step 4. Enter your email address. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Netflix account. Make sure to use the correct email to receive recovery instructions. Step 5. Follow the email instructions. Check your email for a message from Netflix. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password and regain access to your account. If you follow these steps, you should be able to recover your Netflix account without needing a phone number. Good luck!